They said, what you know about love? I'll tell you everything. I got what you need. Woke up in the store and get what you want. You get what you please. We bout to get it on. Take off them drawers. It's just you and me. You know what I mean.
It's your girl StylesOfTasha and I am back with another video. I didn't get the chance to end the vlog last night because we was eating and we had a good old time. And today my boyfriend woke up and said, come on, let's go ride the Destiny. I said, okay. So now we done made it to the beach. Oh, it's so pretty out here. Look at this. Woo! It's so pretty out here. So now we trying to get. Hey y'all, we done found us a little spot. Look at you about to fall. Dior don't want to get in the water. Me and Dior sitting by the beach. He don't want to get in the water.
Wait, and I found another one.
Keeping this.
You keeping that?
And I found another one, Dad.
You look at you dripping all over me, and you're ice cold.
You gonna break your tripod?
Ice cold.
I'm mad cold too.
You cool?
Stop boys.
So disgusting.
Yeah.
Motherfucking fish tank real out the yard.
Out there, yeah. All right.
I do this watch.
I think this big. Yeah, that's big.
I got a little this stuff. You want a sippy cup? You want a sippy cup? What? Dior, this is first time getting in the salt water. He going with his daddy. Ooh, I'm not for this cold ass. Ooh, it's ice cold. Oh hell no, that water ice cold. I can't. Woo 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 woo. Shit! Don't put my baby feet in that water. Papa. Woo woo woo. Shit. Woo shit. Y'all. I don't know. Woo! This water is ice cold. It's making me gotta pee. Woo! Shit. You better bag up with him. Papa! Get your butt over here. Get over here before you float away. He don't like it. Woo! Dior said no. Better water cold. Woo! My baby don't like it. Say I don't like it, Daddy. I don't like it. Woo! Woo! I don't like it. It's cold. It's I'm about to do it. Yeah, I can cut it. I'm gonna we do 2 minutes.
What are you putting me?
For y'all.
Look at him. Leave him messing with the churn. Leave them children alone. Leave the Myra alone. You throw him in the water. And look at him, big boy. Mama, big boy. Mama, big boy, big boy. Coco Coin Trail. Scary 1 and Scary 2. That water is ice cold. You know how you have water in the ice in the ice chest and it like melt the next day and it's still freezing cold? That's how that water is ice cold. I went and played in it for a little bit, but I cannot. Like Jocelyn said, I cannot. Hi, Didi, we cannot. It's too cold. It feel good out here, just the water cold. Cold. Didi said, I cannot. Your daddy cut up for your birthday weekend, huh? Your first birthday. He took them to see the animals yesterday. And he woke up and said, let's go ride the Disney. Let's go. Okay, I'm ready. Dior said, I'm ready. He got his little beach clothes ready. Baby, I ain't have no bathing suits, no nothing. We in the middle of moving. No bathing. You want to see the people? I ain't had no bathing suits, no nothing. I throw on one of his t-shirts and some shorts. And say, okay, I'm ready. What they doing? What y'all doing? They should have stopped and got a ball. Wait, y'all, the boys trying to reach. They talking about put it in your vlog. Come on, no cheating. No cheating. Come on. Come on, the camera ain't gonna lie who won. My baby Zaddy won, okay. Oh, you mad? You raging? You mad? You mad? Oh, Lord. My baby won. You won, babe. Damara said, why you lying? You won, babe. You won. You the winner. Nah. And you mad? Cause he won. Go with that then. He gonna go. Go with that, Didi. Go ahead. He say, hold me. Hold me. They keep leaving me. That water too cold. That water too effing cold for me. Shoot. I can't. I want to go get me some oysters. He kept coming back with dang on seashells. Like, what the hell? Talking about we gonna get a fish tank. Put it in the house. So he can have seashells from the ocean. Boy, if you don't go sit down somewhere with the beat up ass seashells by the seashore, I'm gonna walk by the water, y'all. Boy, I ain't can't wait till the beach to sit on the sand. What? I said, let me come get in the water. I ain't can't wait till the beach to sit in the sand. It's so cold. It's so cold.
Let me get them here. You go.
Wait, hold on. He talking about he going underwater. He ain't go under the water yet. Under the water yet. Come on, babe, I'm waiting. He talking about it's cold. It's cold. I know why we been figured out it was cold. Come on, I gotta get my baby from over here. Go under the water. What you jumping for? Why is y'all jumping, Trail? trash can in the water. Now they supposed to be holding hands, walking through the water, and they can't get it together. Go ahead. Papa didn't want to go because he talking about he cold. What you say, Didi? Danny get mad. The children don't want to participate. He gonna say he ready to go watch. Alright, y'all. Well, I'm about to go ahead and finish enjoying my family on this beautiful Sunday. I wanted to check in and check out with you guys. And make sure you like these videos. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And yeah. Say bye-bye. Say see ya. You know how to say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.